Hello and welcome to the audio newsletter for the 19th of June 2024, presented by me, Sarah, and Michelle.
This newsletter's executive message was from the NatRoad chair, Paul Fellows. In it, he was pleased to share information about our submission to the New South Wales Freight Policy Reform and the draft New South Wales Heavy Vehicle Access Policy. The strategic initiative addresses the pressing challenges our industry faces while paving the way for a sustainable, efficient, and safer future. The current incremental and piecemeal changes are insufficient to meet the significant challenges we must achieve in the coming years and decades.
These include the Vision Zero road trauma by 2050, net zero carbon emissions by 2050, and managing a projected 57.1% increase in road freight by 2040. The existing pace of reform does not position our industry to meet these goals effectively. Our submission underscores the necessity of a holistic approach to reform, and our recommendations include improved road access, national road standards and fairer tolling system, support for a low emissions transition, the establishment of an independent road safety authority, no-fault heavy vehicle crash events investigations, and workforce development.
The industry is facing significant financial pressures in relation to workers' compensation as the New South Wales icare premiums increase. Insurance and Care New South Wales, icare, confirmed the average rate of workers' compensation premiums in New South Wales will increase by an average of 8% across the scheme in the 2024-2025 financial year. Within the scheme, 12% of rates didn't change, 44% increased above 8%, and 44% were below 8%. In the renewal packs sent to policyholders, wage estimates automatically indexed by 4.9% this year. The minimum premium is now $225.
From today, payments of premiums can only be processed via BPay and the icare website, no longer over the phone or by check. The 2024-25 WIC rates have been released, and those specifically aligned to transport and logistics are included in your NatRoad newsletter.
Are you using everything your NatRoad membership has to offer? We want to help you keep your business viable and sustainable into the future. We help by providing various discounts and savings, helpful advice and resources, and events that allow you to network and connect with industry stakeholders and peers. NatRoad membership gives you a generous fuel discount with Ample, advice from advisors on HR and IR questions for your business, 10% discount on Bridgestone and Firestone branded tires if purchased on your Ample account, industry updates with the NatRoad newsletter and audio files.
Decarbonisation resources to guide truck operators towards fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and alignment with future government regulations and customer expectations. 20% on truck assist roadside assistance premiums. Free first aid training for truckies with online resources and discount for first aid kits. Additional insurance benefits with NTI. Trucking forums to connect with others in the industry. Discounts on NIB health insurance. Free industry magazines, and a referral discount on your membership fee if you refer a mate and they join NatRoad.
NatRoad membership is your backup if you are stuck and need advice. Plus, your membership fee could be tax deductible. Make sure you talk to your tax agent. For further information on any of these discounts and support, please contact us on 1-800-272-144 or email us. Make sure to check the terms and conditions in your member newsletter.
Austroads are seeking input on managing overseas licensed heavy vehicle drivers, and you're invited to share your views. Currently, overseas license holders can drive the same class of vehicle as in their home country. The period these people can drive on their overseas license before transferring to an Australian one varies between states and territories. To obtain a heavy vehicle license in Australia, an overseas license holder must complete the same learning and assessment required of an Australian license holder.
In response to industry concerns and recognizing the differences between driving in Australia and overseas, Austroads, on behalf of its 8 state and territory member agencies, is seeking to understand whether changes should be made to the management of overseas licensed heavy vehicle drivers. The survey takes only a few minutes to complete, is anonymous, and will provide Austroads with valuable information about community and industry views to inform policy review and decision making. It shuts 12 July, so make sure you share your views at the link in your newsletter or the video description.
NatRoad has a wealth of upcoming webinar topics to improve your business and knowledge. Dale Halling, Assistant Director for the Taxable Payment Reporting System Product Team at the ATO, Australian Tax Office, will be presenting Navigating the Road to Compliance on the 26th of June 2024 at 11 a.m. The webinar will cover the ATO's road freight TPRS and the ATO, an overview of the road freight industry from a tax perspective, focusing on industry-based statistics, your obligations, and a guide to the taxable payments reporting system.
On the 4th of July, the NHVR's Matt Boland, Manager of Fatigue and Human Resources, and Paul Kay, Senior Safety and Compliance Officer, will be presenting a webinar on fatigue management and compliance.
And on the 17th of July, Bridgestone will be presenting a webinar on how Acopia tyres can save on fuel. With business costs increasing, low rolling resistance tyres offer business owners the opportunity to save on fuel. Bridgestone's Acopia tyres also cut your CO2 emissions with safe, comfortable, and long-lasting eco-friendly tyres.
Access NatRoad's decarbonisation resources, Get Fleet Fit, designed to guide truck operators towards improving fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and alignment with the future government regulations and customer expectations. If you have implemented a fuel savings program in your business and want to share the results and lessons with others, please contact the NatRoad team.
If you have any questions or concerns regarding items discussed in this newsletter or would like more information, please contact us at 1-800-272-144 or email info@natroad.com.au. We would like to thank Ampol for sponsoring this newsletter.